Flap. The bird is flapping its wings. I am flapping my hands like a bird. Stir. She is stirring the soup in the pot. He is stirring the chocolate milk. Tremble. The boy is trembling because he is scared. The puppy is trembling in the cold. Shiver. The boy is shivering in the cold wind. I am shivering because I forgot my jacket. Wink. She winked and smiled at me. Don't wink at people you don't know. Poke. She poked me when the movie started. He poked the fire with a stick. Tilt. She tilts her head when she is confused. He tilted his glass to pour water. Sip. She sipped her drink and looked out the window. He sipped the juice, then smiled. Tickle. She is tickling my neck with her fingers. He tickled me, and I laughed. Huff. He is huffing after running fast. I am huffing because I am tired. Scratch. He is scratching his head. The dog is scratching its ear. Rub. He is rubbing his cold hands together. She is rubbing her eyes because she is sleepy. Pat. He is patting his child on the back. She is patting the cat gently. Bow. He bowed to the teacher. They bowed to each other before the game. Shrug. She is shrugging to say, I don't know. I am shrugging, because I didn't hear the question. Twist. He twisted the doorknob. She did a twist on the dance floor. Squeeze. Don't squeeze the toothpaste too hard. The baby is squeezing the toy. Sniff. The dog is sniffing the ground. He is sniffing the flowers. Limp. He is limping after stepping on a stone. My brother is limping after he fell. Slide. He is sliding on the wet floor. They are sliding in the mud after the rain. Tiptoe. I went to the kitchen on tiptoe. She tiptoed into the room to not wake anyone. Toss. I will toss the coin now. He tossed the paper in the trash. Snatch. The thief snatched my bag. Don't snatch the remote from me. Lean. I leaned against the wall to rest. He leaned his head on my shoulder. friend. I bent down to tie my shoes. Please bend the straw before you drink. Nod. The dog is nodding its head. I am nodding because I like the idea. Shake. I am shaking the bottle to mix the juice. They are shaking hands after the game. Wave. I am waving at my friend. She is waving her hand to say goodbye. Blink. Don't blink in the bright sunlight. I am blinking to clear my eyes. Stare. He is staring at the ice cream. He is staring at the candy in the jar. Yawn. I am yawning because I didn't sleep well. The baby is yawning in the morning. Crawl. The baby is crawling to her mother. The soldier is crawling on the ground. Turn. She turned to look behind. Suck. Don't suck on your thumb. He is sucking the candy slowly. Choke. He choked and started coughing. Don't talk while eating, or you may choke.